All right. Here we go. So now we're going to learn how to add sections, okay? A section is a collection of videos, playlists, and whatnot that appear on your channel, right? So this is a section of a playlist, right? Each one of these sections is, you guessed it, a section in YouTube, right? Just know that you cannot create a if you create a playlist, it doesn't automatically put it right here, right? In order to add a section, or you have to add the section and then add if you want videos or playlists or whatnot to it. Okay, so you can't have one. You can have one without the other, but adding one doesn't automatically put it up here. All right. So let me just show you what I'm talking about because I talk too much. All right. So in order to add a section of a collection of videos, playlists, and whatnot, you click on Customize Channel. Okay. All right. And now, basically, right where it says Layout, down here it says Fixture, featured sections. Okay. Notice that all my sections are single playlists. Okay. So remember, a section is a collection of playlists and whatnot. All right. You could have up to 12 sections. The way in which you add a section is, you guessed it, you click Add Section. Now, you have a bunch of different options. You could choose uploads, live now, blah, 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 single playlist. Blah, blah. I would just do single playlist, right? It's the easiest way to do it. So you just click on single playlist, and then remember, you have to create a playlist first. And you pick the playlist that you want to go on there, right? Uh, let's just do this one. All right, as you click on it, okay, and now at the bottom, there's your single section playlist, okay? You can only have 12, right? So the next thing is that you would click right here on the single hamburger, right? I think this is a double hamburger. No, it's single. That's single. That's a bun right there. And this would be like a hamburger without a top patty. All right, so you just click on it and you can move it up and down however you want. Okay, put the best ones up to the top. Then you would just hit publish. Once you hit publish, right, you go to your channel, and then right the section will pop up. It might take a little while, but it will be there. Okay, so that's how you add a section to a YouTube channel, which is a collection of videos. All right, have a great day.